Which international organization, founded in 1945, is dedicated to promoting peace and security, fostering cooperation among nations, and addressing global challenges? What is the largest desert in the world? In which sport do athletes compete in a race, attempting to complete a set distance in the shortest amount of time? Who was the influential leader of the Indian independence movement against British colonial rule and is often referred to as Mahatma, meaning great soul? What event is often considered the starting point of the Great Depression in the United States in the 1930 seconds? Which spacecraft, launched in 1977, is the farthest human-made object from Earth and has entered interstellar space, carrying a golden record with sounds and images from Earth? Who is the American singer-songwriter known for his hits Blowin' in the Wind and Like a Rolling Stone, often considered a major figure in the folk rock movement? What is the smallest unit of matter that retains the properties of an element and consists of a nucleus surrounded by electrons? What term describes a form of education where students are taught by a parent or tutor at home instead of attending a traditional school? What term describes the process by which water vapor in the atmosphere changes into tiny water droplets or ice crystals, forming clouds? What is the term for the gradual change in the Earth's magnetic field over time, causing compass needles to shift their direction and impacting navigation? Which famous composer, known for his symphonies, piano concertos, and operas, is often referred to as the father of classical music and composed the Magic Flute? Which global challenge involves the responsible and sustainable management of forests to preserve biodiversity and combat deforestation? What is the natural phenomenon in which water falls from the sky in the form of tiny ice crystals or water droplets, often associated with clouds? Which famous scientist is credited with developing the theory of evolution by natural selection, proposing that species change over time through the process of adaptation? In the fantasy series, The Chronicles of Narnia by C.S. Lewis, what magical wardrobe serves as a gateway to the land of Narnia? Who is the American singer, songwriter known for his hits Piano Man, Uptown Girl, and We Didn't Start the Fire? What international organization is tasked with promoting peace, cooperation, and security among nations and has its headquarters in New York City? Which global initiative, launched in 1996, focuses on achieving gender equality and empowering women and girls through education and various other sectors? Which global challenge focuses on achieving universal access to clean water and sanitation, as well as proper hygiene practices for all people? In Hindu mythology, who is the god of creation and one of the principal deities of the Hindu pantheon, often depicted with multiple heads and arms, representing his cosmic power? In which sport do athletes compete in a race on a track while jumping over hurdles placed at set distances along the course? Which global initiative, launched in 2000, aims to achieve universal primary education and improve access to education in developing countries? Who is credited with the discovery of penicillin, the world's first widely used antibiotic, which revolutionized medicine and saved countless lives? In what year did the American Civil War end with the surrender of General Robert E. Lee? What 19th century conflict saw the United States and Mexico at war, resulting in the annexation of Texas and the acquisition of southwestern territories? Who was the Mexican artist known for her surrealist paintings, including the two Fridas and self-portrait with thorn necklace and hummingbird? In baseball, what is the term for a play in which a batter hits the ball and successfully reaches first base before the fielding team can put them out? Which natural disaster is characterized by the sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, resulting in seismic waves and ground shaking? Who is known for famously saying, "I came, I saw, I conquered"? Who was the first woman to fly solo non-stop across the Atlantic Ocean? What is the term for a situation in chess where a player's king is in check and no legal move can remove the threat to the king? What term is used to describe the unequal distribution of wealth and resources between different individuals, groups, or nations, often leading to social and economic disparities? What term is used to describe the practice of learning and acquiring knowledge outside of traditional classrooms and educational institutions, often self-driven? was the American singer-songwriter known for his folk and protest music, with iconic songs like Blowin' in the Wind and The Times They Are A-Changin'. Which popular video sharing platform, founded in 2005, allows users to upload, view, and share videos on various topics, and is known for its diverse content creators.